guys, what's going on? Well, I'm here with my mom's 2002, the Pontiac Grand Am. It's November, quite cold outside. Not sure the temperature, but I'll insert it. And this is going to be a three-segment video just to show you. I know you guys haven't seen my grandma's car in a long time. Not that it really matters, but I've been doing cold starts of her car, my dad's car, and my mom's. So this video is going to be all in one. As you saw, I had my me and my family put up our Christmas decorations. We'll have our outside stuff up pretty soon. And I'm going to go ahead and start off with this car. Not that bad inside. Clean it every now and then, but you know, liquid glass does the shining. We're going to do a exterior view. This car don't start as well. I mean, it starts great, but you know, it could be the battery of some sort. It's nice having this garage with a stand. So, go ahead and let it run for a minute. Here we go. First time of the day. See the miles. The car has 118,516 miles. Monsoon stereo, 2.2 Ecotech 4-cylinder. Still running great. Ugh, I'm gonna shut it down. Exhaust fumes. Next.